Hello, how are you? Today I'm gonna talk about Nico 189 rotate array. It's an easy question, and instead of calling it as rotating the array, I prefer to call it as it just move the array k steps right. So the edge cases here is that we have to consider the case when k equals a minus number, a negative number, and but that's simple. We can just solve or um, or the case um, k is really big, and we can solve this. We can solve these both cases um, by just do the mock operation, something like this. And although here it requires us to do it in place in O1 extra space, I will show you guys. First, the simplest way to do it is to, I think everyone can think of it, is to create an auxiliary array, and then we can just copy the elements into the correct into the correct place in the temporary array. So maybe we can just tie the simple solution first. So we will get the temporary arrays that the length is the same as the original arrays. So we can just copy it, here we call this n. So I will need to type length of nums multiple times and make the code more readable. So it looks like this, and so temp I sk n equal to times I. I think that this will solve the problem. Oh, and we need to consider the case when nums is empty. Just return it. Yeah, and after this we need to copy every element into nums. I think this will do. Yeah, that solves a problem, but how can we do it in place? A very simple way is to reverse the arrays. First, we can, for example, if we have an array looks like this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if, for example, if k equals 2, and the final result will be 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we can do is that we can first reverse the whole arrays, and it will look like this. And then we can reverse the first two elements, that means the same as reverse the first k elements, and then we can also reverse the rest of the element, and then that solve our problems, and it's in place too. So we can do it. We can do it just like this. We can first define function to do the reverse for us. So input will be the array, the start index and the end index. So while we will swap the elements as index as mouse and index x and index end with just a single line of code, and then we need to propagate those two index. And this will do. I think there's no errors, so we can continue. So we should first reverse the whole array, and then we will reverse the first k elements of the array. So will be k-1. We'll reverse the rest of the arrays. Yes, and I think this will solve our problem. Great. Oh, let me see what went wrong. Index of range. Oh, sorry, I deleted this one. Yes. So this solves our problems. See you next time.